Bryson? Good morning, Bryson.
We just woke up. Bryson just woke up.
Yeah. You did, didn't you, boy? You just wake up this morning? Hi.
Say hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody.
Up early this morning, Sunday, August 25th in Valencia, Negros Oriental in the Philippines. And just time for a quick cup of coffee because I've got to get over to the farmer's market, and I'll show you why in just a minute. What's going over there? It's kind of busy this morning. It looks like a pretty day, no rain or anything, so it should be full of people and full of produce and goodies. Let's go check it out. All right. Not quite 6 a.m., but it'll be 6 a.m. in about 10 minutes. And my new favorite vendor's over there. So I'm going to show you, tell you about the guy. Already busy. About 5 minutes to 6 a.m. And the parking lot is filling up. Good. I'll leave the bike right here and let him put it away. I'm gonna need a plastic bag. I'll just bring one for now. You gotta kind of bring your own bag to carry fruit and stuff, whatever you got, yeah? Okay. He's good. Okay. So normally my vendor is right here in this spot here, but they're still setting up, so I haven't been here before 6 a.m. for a while. He said he starts at 6 a.m., but I don't know if he really is. But we'll just take a walk through in the meantime. I have to look for my mango lady. I'm gonna go do that actually right now. Let's go look for the mango lady. Maybe she's selling mangoes again. Seriously got to get me one of these someday. I got a little one. Anyway, here's my mango lady. Where's my mango lady been all this time? Are you back? These look better. 110. Yeah.
But the wholesale is 100.
You don't mind?
Yeah, Emma.
Maybe I get some mangoes.
I'm
definitely gonna get some mangoes. But they're 110 now, huh? What happened?
The price is very high.
I know. What's going on with that?
The price is very high.
I'm still waiting for the new crop.
So
anyway, I'll get a couple kilos. I'll get a couple.
Good. 110.
Nakapin na natin. How much is your mango?
How much is your mango?
So, very cheap. 50. That's it, guys. That's it, guys.
It's so small.
That's it. It's very thin.
Small, but it's
Oh, like seedless.
That's more like it. All right, I'm gonna fiddle through this and get at least a couple kilos of mangoes.
Oh, namotor.
Look at the berry. 50 na. Ma'am, 110
Ma'am, kana 85. 70, din na po may 50 sigar.
What are these? No, that's. How about these?
Someone,
Somebody has. Oh, they went through it already, huh?
Yeah, ma'am, 70 na, ma'am.
that one is,
That's it, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna select from this little pile here, and I'm gonna try to get a couple good kilos.
There is one guy here last dealer. He said to me that he sent me in the
Video.
photo.
I saw you in the video.
Las Vegas.
Ah, Las Vegas. All right, cool.
He's from Las Vegas. I sent you here in the YouTube.
Well, maybe somebody else will see you in this one. Okay. 2 kilos.
Gang, 2 kilos na.
All right, 2 kilos. Okay, looks like it's going to be 85, huh? Or 110.
100 only.
Okay.
No, 100. You're gonna pay only 200.
Okay. Prices are up now for a while till the next crop comes out. All right. Okay.
This one.
Oh,
Thank you, sir.
bless you. Thank you. Thank you for extra. Bye. I could drop this one off in the bike and then find out if my vendor is back or here yet setting up. I hope he's going to be here because I want to show you guys what he's cooking.
Wow.
And it's pretty good. It's a nice little tasty thing. And God, I hope he's here today because I saw him last weekend and I came about 7:30 or 8. And he was already sold out. So he said he sells out in about an hour. Look at over here, 150 for a kilo.
Na, may wala.
So I guess I actually got a good price at 110. Actually, she gave it to me for 1. Looking pretty good today, man. A lot of good stuff here.
hello sir,
How's the potatoes today?
90 per kilo for the bigger.
90 per kilo for the potatoes. These are almost the American sizes. Yeah. How about your carrots though?
120.
How many's that?
4.
4? Okay, let's see. Kilo. Yeah.
More?
Yeah, 1 kilo.
More? I want 1 kilo.
That's probably a kilo, huh? Yeah, let me do this.
71.
71?
Make it 80.
Okay. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. How's the broccoli?
160 per kilo.
How much?
160.
Very expensive here.
Yeah.
And then also you guys sell it with the whole stock.
Yeah.
Too much to stock. Yeah, I get it. Okay, I'll be back. How about the carrot?
120. 120.
Oh, okay. Should be about 35. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Gotta get some onions. Gotta have onions. Those are the regular?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're,
the special, sir. The ham and cheese.
Oh, that's ham and cheese? I don't want that. No. What's the regular one? For
This one, sir.
for 10 pesos?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give me that because there's nothing in. Okay, I'll just have a couple of those. Let me just give me a bag. Yeah. Are these pretty still warm?
Yes, sir.
Still warm? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Right, it goes honey. Ang galing eh.
Well, sorry to say my vendor did not make it. My new favorite vendor didn't make it. He's going to cook up some nice little hoagie sandwiches kind of thing. Really good, tasty. I was going to get 4 of them, but he's not here today. He was here last weekend. He told me he'd be here. Something came up, obviously, but my very best favorite, mango lady, she was here. She gave me a good deal on some mangoes. Even though they're overpriced, she took care of me with that. And so we're good to go on that. So at least I scored that and a couple little items. But I may be back because I need to buy some avocados. They're not my favorite tasting avocados, but they're really healthy. So I'm gonna buy a couple for the health benefits alone. So I'm gonna go back and see what the girls are doing. They're probably just waking up. Plus I really want to finish my first cup of coffee, which I never get to finish. You coffee drinkers, you know what I'm talking about.